Hello friends, welcome to my channel Happy to Learn. My name is Kanaka. I have done MTech in Computer Science and this is my first video which one I am going to upload in YouTube. I will be making computer and statistics related subject. So please do encourage me and subscribe and like and share to my videos. If you really feel it's helpful to you, today's topic is interpolation and extrapolation. I'm going to explain how to solve that interpolation and extrapolation problems. In interpolation and extrapolation, first method like binomial expansion method, by using this method I have to solve the problem. And in that binomial expansion method, we know that actually we have two types of problem. Like one missing value will be there, one more is there, like two missing value will be there. Okay, how we have to solve that one missing value number, and next one is there how we have to solve that two missing value numbers. Okay, in that binomial expansion method, like you'll get question, you're like, suppose we'll get here year is 2011, next 2012, next 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, next one is 2017. Here you have like year like this 2011 to 17. In same like we have here cells. First one like 2011 cells is 240, next one 2012 cells is 300, and 2013 cells is how much, 320. Next one 14 you have here 360, 2015 400, 2016 450, 2016, like you don't have any values, means here one missing value is here. Like in binomial expansion method, just I explained that like will get two types of question, one is one missing value, one is two missing value. In this question only one missing value is here. Like here you have cells 2011 के लिए है भी है, 2012 के लिए है, 13 के लिए है, 14 के लिए है, 15 के लिए है, 16 के लिए है, बट 2017 के लिए एक वैल्यू नहीं है, मीन्स एक वैल्यू मिसिंग है. ओके, हाउ यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. Like question was there like year and cells. Okay, in year we can take this one x and cells we can take that y. Okay, then we have to make two column. Okay, to the whatever year was there like 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 and 2017. Okay, then here you have cells. First one was there like 240, next one 300, next one 320, next one 360, next one 400, next one 450, next one like missing value was there, we don't have any values in that. Okay, first we have to write like in column like x and y column. Okay, here we gave here cells is x, y. Okay, for that here what you have to give the name, this one y0, this one y1, this one y2, next one y3, next y4, next y5, and last one is y6. Okay, like here 2011 you have to like we have cells is 240 and value is how much, like we gave name here y0. Next one 300 we gave name here y1, 320 we gave here y2, and 360 y3, 400 y4, and 450 y5. Here whatever missing value is there, that name I gave here how much, like what I gave for y6. Okay, now I can see here like total how many known values is here. Okay, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 known values are here. Means for this what and how we have to write the formula. Here 6 known values is there. For that you have to write here formula y minus 6 to the power 1 is equal to 0. Sorry, y minus to the power, sorry, little mistake, y minus 1 to the power 6 is equal to 0 we have to write. Okay, y minus 1 to the power 6 is equal to 0. Okay, for this how I have to write the formula. To write this formula, what we have to do, because we know here y to the power 6 is there, for that we have to start from here. First one is y6, next we have to write here minus y5, next plus y4 minus y3, next we have to write here plus y2 minus y1, next plus y0 is equal to 0. This equation we have to write like this, because we know that y minus to the power 6 is there. For that equation you have to first start from y6, next y5, next y4, next y3, next y2, next y1, next y0 is equal to 0. Okay, but here what we have to do, first value we know that this one plus is there, next one minus, next we have to write plus, next minus, next plus, next minus, next plus, like this. First one is plus, next minus, and alternatively we have to write. Okay. Now this equation, after this equation what we have to do, here we have to see here how many terms are there. Here we can count here first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, total 7 term we have here. Okay, 7 term, first term and last term, in that 2 term, that like it will be same like as it is, like y6 and y1, y0 we have to keep as it is. And here for y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, for that we have to write here coefficient for this equation. Okay, to write coefficient for y5, what we have to do, first we have to check that previous term. In that previous term we can see here we have here previous coefficient here 1. If you don't have any values, means this first term, here you know that here 1 we have. Okay, here previous term is 1, and here previous subscript is how much? 6 we have subscript. And previous rank, how much? I told this is the first term, that one called as first rank. Okay, then how you have to write the formulas to find out that coefficient, that formula is there. First one, previous coefficient into previous subscript divided by previous rank. Okay, this is the formula to get this coefficient, and here also, here also, here also, here. To write that coefficient we have to follow this formula: previous coefficient into previous subscript into previous rank. Here for y5, previous term is what? y6. For y4, previous term is y5. For y3, previous one is y4. For y2, previous one is y3. For y2, this one y3, and for y1, y2. Okay. Now we have to, whatever formula we wrote, we have to apply that formula. First one is previous coefficient. We can see here what is the previous coefficient we have here. Previous coefficient is 1, and previous subscript how much here? 6. Okay, and previous rank means previous, this one term we have first one, this one called as what? Previous rank. Also you can call that previous term. Which one? This one first term, this one called as first rank. Then you have to write here 1. Okay, then you have to write 1 into 6. How much? 6 divided by 1, this will be how much? 6. Okay, we got here 6. This 6 we have to write here. Okay, this one called as y5 coefficient. In same way, you have to write this coefficient, y4 coefficient. How you have to write? Same. We have to follow the same rule. What is the rule? First, you have to write previous coefficient into previous subscript divided by previous rank. Also, you can call that what? Previous term. What is the previous coefficient? Previous coefficient is 6. And previous subscript how much? 5. And previous rank how much? This one first, this one second. Then you have to write this one how much? Second means you have to write here 2. Okay, then 6 into 5 how much? 30 divided by 2. Okay, this one 15. We got here for y4 we got here coefficient 15. Then we have to write here 15. This one 6 and this one 15. Then we have to come to here y3. In y3 the same rules we have to follow. You have to see here previous coefficient is 15. Previous what? This one subscript 4 divided by previous term also called as previous rank. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 15 into 4. 60 divided by 3. Then here we'll get here how much? 20. That 20, this one we have to write here. And next one in same we have to follow for y2. First you have to write 20 into 3 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 4. We'll get here 60 divided by 4. We'll get here 15. And 15 we have to write here. Then in same we will follow for next one. You have to write this one. How much we have? 15 into 2 divided by this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 means this one 15 into 2 30 divided by 5. Then we'll find out here how much. Like we'll find out here 6. And 6 value we have to write here. Now this equation is complete. How we have to write? First one y6, next minus 6y5 plus 15y4 minus 20y3 plus 15y2 minus 6y1 plus y0 is equal to 0. This is the method, this is the one method to write this subscription. Also in my next video I'll teach how easily you can write that subscription. Okay. Now what we have to do? We know that y6 value they didn't mention, like one missing number was there, that for y6 no values was there. For that we have to write y6 as it is. Then minus 6. y5 values how much? y5 values you can check that in question they gave 450 plus next 15 is there, write that 15. For y4 values they gave like 400. Okay, next you have to see how much this one 20 and y3 values 360. Then you have to write this one plus y2 values is there 320. Next minus 6 y1 values is there 300. Next we have to write this one last one plus y0 values they gave you like 240 is equal to 0. Okay, total equation, whatever equation is there, like same equation, just we have to put that formulas values for this one. For y5 values 450, next one y4 values how much? 400. Next one for y2 here we put here, and everything whatever values we have in that question just we have to put here. No need to do anything, just we have to write this equation. After that whatever values we have in that question, for first you wrote that line no equation question, in that we have that y5 values, y4 values, y3 values, y2 values, y1 and y0, whatever values we have just we have to put in that equation. We have equation like this, like y6 and up to y0. This equation just we put that whatever values we had. Okay, then what we have to do here, just we have to see here this one 6 into 450. We have to multiply. You have to write here y6 minus 6 into 450. It will be 2700. Next plus 15 into 400. That will be like 6000 minus this one 20 into 360. We'll get here 7200 plus this one. Then we have to multiply that this one over 15 into 320. We'll get here how much? 4800. Next we have to write for this one 6 into 300. That will be minus 1800. Next one, last values already we have 240 is equal to 0. Then what we have to do after writing, just what we did here, just we multiplied these two values, we multiplied, we wrote here. Next these two multiplied, we wrote here. These two we multiplied, then we wrote here. Next one, these two multiplied, then we wrote here. Next one, this one, this, and last one as it is we have to write. Okay, up to this I hope everyone clear here. We have to do, just we'll see here negative values. How many negative values is there here? Minus 2700. Next one minus 7200. Next one minus 1800. Just what you have to do, we have to add these three number. First we have to write y6 as it is, we have to write. Just we have to add these three. After adding these three, we have to write that values. But here we are taking here minus values. For that you have to write here minus, and that adding these three values we will get here 11700. After that, just you have to see that how many positive values, like plus values are there here 6000. Next one 4800. Next one 240. Just what we have to do, we have to add these three. Okay, then you have to write here plus 11040 and is equal to 0 here. Then what you have to write here, first you have to see here y6 is there, y6 you have to write, and here you can see here you have one plus value, one here minus value. Just you have to what solve this one. How you have to solve? You can calculate, you can use, otherwise directly you can see here this is the minus value, but minus value is there big number, and here what is there plus values is there 11040. Then you have to minus this one. Okay, you'll get here y6 is minus 660 is equal to 0. y6, because here you can see big number, just we will get here whatever values we got, that one it will come in here minus number. Then you have to finally you have to write here y6, this 660 is there, we have to take that one to right side. Here we will get 660. This is the final, we will get here y6 is equal to 660. In question already you saw that what y6 values was missing. Okay, that missing value in y6 place you have to write 660. Now the complete sum is there. Okay, this one formula. After that whatever values was there, just you have to put that. Then you have to multiply all the things. Then you have to see whatever negative values is there. First you have to add that, you have to write here. Then whatever plus values was there, just you have to add that, you have to write here. Then you have to solve these two. Then we'll get here y6 minus 660 is equal to 0. Then y6, whatever y6 you have to write y6 is equal to that 660, just you have to take that one to right side. Then we'll get here this one. If you found this video helpful to you, do like, share and subscribe and support to my channel. Thank you so much.